Today I'm gonna be recording my attempt to solve this problem. It's a Leetcode daily. Yeah, that's an interesting task. I don't know how to solve it actually. Let me think about this. So they ask to write off n time of one space, constant extra space, and somehow I should like have all of these numbers in this range. Sorted in lexicographical order. What I was thinking first is just going through this array, or like so going from 1 to n, and then putting the numbers, like somehow figuring out the index. Let's say I have like 12. I need to figure out the index for the 12 based on this based on the digits in 12. But this is kind of, I don't know, complicated. I don't know how to do that. I'm not sure if it's doable even. So if I don't have these conditions, I can like just call array dot sort, and then I can have a custom comparator function that will just go like I have I1, I have I2, and it's gonna go digit by digit comparing every digit of I1 with every digit of I2, and if they are not kind of equal for some time, then if they are equal, then move to the next digit. If they are not equal, then return whatever is lower as a first element. But here, because like array sort, I will take all of n log n at max. It already not, it still can be, there are a couple of in place sorts, but yeah, it will not satisfy this condition. So what I've been thinking is about, like, let's say I do one and I check, okay, is it like less than, so I can have like one, first place 1, 2, 3, whatever, like up to 9. Let's say, let's remove everything here. So I can have this kind of backtracking approach. where I go and I do like a add one, and then I try to add there were like first like I go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and every time I go there I check if the number is less than range, and then I go to this one and go deeper, like I go 1, and here on this level I start from 1, and on the next level I'll start from 0 1 0 1 1 1 2, and then I try 1 3, and because 1 3 is no, 1 3 is okay, but 1 4 it's out of the range, so I stop here, and then I populate, like I go 1, I add number to array 1, and then I go to the type, like go deeper into the recursion, so it's gonna be 10, and then 11 12 13, and then I do the same 2 0, it's out, so like I don't proceed, then I add like 2, I then add just 3, and then I add just 4, and I try again 3 0, stop, 4 0, also stop, 5 0, stop. So like first I went to this branch and I had the output array 1, and then I have 1 0, and then I have 1 1, and then 1 2, 1 3, and exit, then I add 2, and then I go 3, and then go 4 5, and then repeat the same again and again until I reach 9. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's it. And the same I'm gonna do with, let's say I have like just n equals 2. So start here 1, 2, and I try to do 1, 0, no. I try to do an exit immediately and go here, and I try to do 2, 0, and also exit. And then as a result I have 1 and 2. So if I do this, I'll go the list integer result equal new array list, and in array list, and can I add n as a capacity probably, and then I'll have this private int pt, and then I call it int n current, and then result list integer result, and then I'm gonna go for int I equal 0, I less than 9, I plus plus, and then I check if, and then I need to do this int n here, and then if say int next equals current multiplied by 10 plus 8 n plus I, and then if next less than n, I'll go res, let's say I'll have also pointer res ptr 0 res dot insert. Should I insert a set? Set element at index. Add set. Okay, set. Res set, and then ptr 0, and then I wanna do next, and then here less or equal n, and then what I'm gonna do, set, and then ptr increment pointer, and then else break. And then I need to, like, when I add that, I need to also have this array list as a integer next a equals new array list, and then I'll go next a. Or I can just store the pointer ptr int I equals 0, and here something like this. Int start equals ptr 0, and then for int I in j equals start j less than I j plus plus, and then I'll do bt current gonna be res get j and res ptr. That's it, and then I'm gonna call this bt. So I need to start from like for int I equals 0, it equals 1, I less than or equal 9 I plus plus, and then I need to go bt I and res ptr, and then ptr I need to initialize this array int ptr equals 0. Tune res. So it's not actually O of 1 extra space because of this recursion, bt recursion. Let's run it. Oh, I can always do the add. No. Okay, because I need to do here. Red and I. Okay, what's the insert index function? List insert at index Java. Add at index. Okay, add. So this pointer can be removed probably to simplify it a little bit. Zlata, I'm busy. Let's say if less than n. So I should somehow like do smarter. So I do like, let's say 1 and I go 1 0 1 1. And 0 0. Now like 1 0 0. but it's not actually of 1 because like the BT here. Can I avoid this? Can I rewrite this to a while loop? I wonder. Okay, so how I can rewrite this function so that it doesn't use recursion, but like a while loop? So my point here is that because I use a recursion here, recursion BT call, it might take some time to, it allocates the stack, like, and it's like no longer off 1 space. So if I do something like this for start equals for int I, and then I need what they're doing here. So like either way, I need to like to create a queue, some kind of queue. What the solutions here? That's DFS, okay. Oh, that was something I was looking for. Hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna probably stop the recording.